Stop before it's too late. The Himalayas. Why should we care?
The Himalayan mountains in south-central Asia contain many of the world's tallest peaks, including Mount Everest. They also contain the greatest number of glaciers after the North and South Poles. Three of the greatest rivers in the world start from these mountains: the Ganges, the Indus, and the Yangtze. These rivers provide water to 1 billion people in Asia.
What's happening?
The biggest danger to the Himalayas is global warming, which is melting the glaciers fast. There is also a huge problem with deforestation in the mountains. Many species of animals, such as the tiger, the rhino, and the snow leopard, are in danger.
The Amazon. Why should we care?
The Amazon in Brazil is the largest tropical rainforest in the world. It is home to 10% of the world's wildlife. The Amazon River is the largest in the world and contains the most freshwater fish on the planet. It is also home to 350 different tribes. But perhaps most importantly, it provides between 25 and 30% of the world's oxygen.
What's happening?
The biggest threat is deforestation. This happens to make space for farmland and to have wood. As a result, many animals are endangered, among them the golden lion tamarin and the jaguar. Since 1950, we have lost more than 17% of the Amazon rainforest. We can't afford to lose any more.
The Galapagos Islands. Why should we care?
The Galapagos Islands are one of the most amazing places on Earth. These tiny islands are 1,000 kilometers from Ecuador in the Pacific and contain many species of plants and animals that are found nowhere else in the world, among them the giant tortoise, the Galapagos penguin, and the Galapagos sea lion. The Galapagos Islands are also famous because the scientist Charles Darwin spent time there studying the wildlife.
What's happening?
The Galapagos Islands are very fragile. The greatest dangers to them include overfishing, pollution, and tourism. There is also a threat of animals from other parts of the world arriving on the islands and killing the local wildlife.
The Great Barrier Reef. Why should we care?
The Great Barrier Reef, off the eastern coast of Australia, is over 2,000 kilometers long. It is the only living organism on the planet that you can see from space. It is home to 1,500 different types of fish, 400 different types of coral, 215 different types of birds, and 6 different types of turtles.
What's happening?
We have already lost 10% of all the coral, but scientists fear that we will lose 70% more in the next 40 years. The greatest dangers to the reef are pollution and overfishing.